enjoy 5% discount based on the original price. And secondly, when you click the products list, you will get extra coupons. And when you place an order, you can use it directly. For example, if you place an order over $7,000, you will get a discount for $100. And if you place an order over $3,000, you will get a discount for $15. And also, please follow us by clicking the follow button to subscribe our channel so you will never miss our live show next time. And also, please give us a like by clicking the red star button to show your support, and we will really appreciate it. And now, let me introduce our sales manager, Miss Bella, to you. Miss Bella is really professional in this field, and let's give a round of applause to welcome Miss Bella.
Hello, Kitty. Hi, everybody. Nice to see you again. Okay, so today we are very glad to be here. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm very glad to be here and to have this chance to share our wall printing machines for all of you. Okay, so at first I would like to show some printing samples for you first. Okay, please take the samples, please. Okay, wow. As you know, the wall printing machine, it can print very vivid and bright images, yeah, on different kind of materials, such as this kind of wallpaper. Okay, we can take closer and we can have a clear looks on it.
It's really beautiful.
Wow. This way, wow. You can see the flower design there. Yeah, each part, it can print very clear, right? Very vivid. Yeah, it's very nice. Okay, this is a very beautiful flower design. Okay, well, next one. Yeah, well, this one is also very colorful, right? Yeah, it's very colorful and with different. Okay, this way. So you can see different parts. Yeah, and also it has a very high resolution. And also you can see the eyes. Yeah, the nose, mouth, each part. Or the eyes, just like a real one. So just like a real deer there.
Yes, it's
yeah.
Really vivid.
Yes, very vivid. It's a 3D design. Okay, so next one. Yeah, this is an oil painting. Yeah, it's an oil painting. So, well, yeah, you can see the each part, just like a real real drawing on it. The blue sky, yeah, clouds, and each part, the flowers, also have really have a very wonderful painting and printing. Okay, so I can see all those are wallpapers. So the wall printing machine, it can work on all kinds of wall paper and also on the glass, yeah, some other glass material. Yeah, all kinds of wall are applicable for the wall printing machine. Okay, so this one, well, this is on the glass material, okay? Well, you can see this dancing girl. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it's very comfortable, vivid, very vivid. Yeah. So which one do you like best?
I prefer this one.
Yeah, but I think most of our Chinese people, they all of them, most of them like this kind of flower design, right? Yeah. Many of our Chinese people, they like this kind of painting or printing or some flowers and put it on their wall, yeah, for their home decoration or some decoration, some other decorations.
They always like colorful things.
Yes. Okay, that's very great. Okay, so for the glass material, okay, so for glass printing, later I would like to introduce the steps how to print on the glass material. Okay. Well, next one, let me show you a big image. That is on the bigger one. Well, yeah, this is very big, and this is the wood board. Yeah, wood material. Okay. Okay, can take clear. Wow, very wonderful design, right? I like this very much. I like this kind of place. Yeah, you can imagine we have a travel on this kind of place. That will be a very wonderful journey, I think. Yeah. Okay, the life there will be very wonderful. Well, next one. Oh, this one, be careful. It's very heavy. Okay. So everybody, this one is a ceramic tile. Yeah. Well, this means this is a Chinese word, means home, means family. Yeah, family. Yeah, you can see this is a very Chinese style, Chinese characteristic style. Yeah, very with some flowers, colorful flowers, and some very special birds. Yeah, some very. It's a very symbol of one of the symbols of Chinese culture. Okay, let me show you the back side of this material. This is a ceramic tile. Yeah, you can see. Oh, it's really heavy. So this is a ceramic. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let's pull it down. Okay, so that's all the just now. So you can see just now we have shown you some material such as the different all kinds of walls. Yeah, putty wall, the painted wall, any walls, and also on some other materials such as the glass and the ceramic tile, and also even the metal and the wood board. Okay, so later we will show you how to print on this kind of materials. Exactly, okay. So at first, let me introduce our, the main machines, the main types of our, in our company, okay. So you can see we have many different types of our wall printing machine. As you can see, these two, they are very similar, right? Yes, right. Okay, so you can see this is compare this the first line. And then the second, so the main difference is that you can see the machine structure, machine design is different. So you can see this one is, these two, they can move through this H-shaped rack. And also you can see the machine with the wheels. So it can also move on the ground directly. Okay. Well, for these two, another two machines, so they are moving on another kind of rack. Okay, this triangle design rack, the gallery. Okay, so this is the main difference for our H model. Yeah, and this is the S series. Okay, so well, and also for the third one, this is the UV type. So we use the different type of the ink. Yeah, so for the UV ink. Okay. Well, for those types, we can use both the water-based ink and also the UV ink. Well, for the water-based ink, to print on the glass or the ceramic tile, we need a surface treatment on the glass surface. Well, for the UV ink, we can print on the glass directly. Okay, so this is the main types of our machine in our company, and also today I'm going to introduce mainly H series and also S series types. And also what most important, and today I also will introduce a very new generation of the wall printing machine. So that is the floor and ground printing machine. Okay, so that is especially used for printing on the ground. Okay, so thanks very much. Yeah, that's all the brief introduction about all of our machines models. Okay, so everybody right now, please follow me and let me introduce the first model for you, okay? already. Yeah, so the first model will be the one right behind me. Okay, you can see the PH30 model. So this one is just now you see from the photo, right? Okay, so this one, okay, we can also take a look about the overall design of this machine. At first, we can see this is the front side of this machine. So we can see this control system. Yeah, so this machine has already include the integrated PC system inside of the machine, and also with this LCD touch screen panel there, so we can operate, and also with the printing software installed in the machine, so we can operate on this machine directly, yeah, and touch and also edit the parameters by touch on this software directly. So it will be very easy and very convenient for the operation. Okay, so this is the software operation interface. You can have a look. Yeah, so on this interface, we can see the ink. Yeah, the ink indication, and also the battery indications there, and also we can see this is the image we are going to print. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so and also we can also see some other indications there. Yeah, we can move the operate the machine by touch on this software directly. Okay. Yes, and so it's very easy. Yeah, it's very easy to operate. And also we will set when you have the machine, we will offer you the full range of the video training and also the instructions in detail to make sure you can use it and you can learn how to use it in a very short time. Okay. So I'm sure even you don't have this kind of operation experience, you can use it. You can learn how to use it in a really very short time. Okay. So this is the software interface, and also you can see with the USB port, yeah, USB port here. So we can transfer the file through this USB port to the machine and to print what we want. Yeah. And yeah, we can see this two. This two is the power button. Yeah, for this one is mainly is for control the main power, the main connection with the main connection of the main power connection of this machine. So if we connect the main power and the built-in UPS battery, yeah, it will keep charging. So this machine, yeah, it has the UPS battery backup inside of the machine. So even without this main power connection, yeah. So right now you can see the machine without the main power connection, and we can turn on this button to control the UPS battery inside of the machine. So the machine can works for more than 10 to 12 hours without the main connection. Okay, so this is the front side of this front side of this machine, and also with the 4 wheels. Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 with the wheels. Yeah, so the machine can move directly through, on the ground, and also you can choose the rack. Also choose the rack. So the machine will move on the rack. Yeah, it's also very good for the printing accuracy. Okay. Yeah. Well, for these two, for these two wheels, yeah, these two wheels, it will works with another auxiliary wheel on the other side for the movement if the machine stops working. Okay. You know what I mean? So when the machine is working, okay, these four big wheels will move. Yeah. Well, if the machine stops working, so this front two wheels will stop, yeah, will be locked. So how to move the machine right now? So we need to use this two big wheel and also another small auxiliary wheel. Okay. Yeah. Well, this is the main design you can see, and also for this part you can see this is the total height of this machine. So this is the guide wheel for the printing head movement. So the printing head will move from the up and down, up and down to for the printing works. Okay. So the total height of this rack will be 2.6 meters, while the printing area will be 2 meters. Okay. So yeah, right now you can see this part at the back side of this machine. Okay. At the back side of this machine, you can see this is the printing head. Yeah. So this is also a very important part of the whole of this machine. Yeah. So the printing head, and also it has two sensors inside of this printing head. So it can, with these two sensors, it can automatically adjust and sense the distance between the wall and the printing head. So even when our wall is not very flat or some uneven wall, so the printing head will automatically expanding or automatically adjust. So to protect the printing head, yeah, so from being damaged by the uneven wall. So this is a very intelligent and a very smart printing head. Okay. Yeah, and also for the printing nozzles, yeah, for this machine right now we choose one printing head. So the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour. And also you can choose double printing heads. So and also the printing speed will be double. That will be 64 square meters per hour. Okay. So if you choose, if you want the faster printing speed, you can also choose more printing nozzles. Okay. So that is based on your request. Perfect Laser can provide you the full range of wall printing requirements, printing solutions for any of your printing requirements. Okay, so if you are interested in this kind of machine or you have any questions about this machine, please feel free to type it and let us know so we can respond for you in time. Okay, thanks very much for your support. Yeah, and also in this machine you can see it also has two motors. Yeah, one is control the movement from the up and down, and another one is to control the movement for this machine from the left to the right. Okay, and also this machine has very big features. Yeah, first one is the built-in UPS battery. So you can just right now the machine is use the power from the UPS battery. Yeah. And also the fastest printing speed, yeah, and you can choose one printing head or two printing heads as you need. And also number 3 is the high resolution, yeah, high printing resolution. The highest resolution of this printing of this machine can reach to 9,600 dpi. Okay, it's really very high resolution. Okay, and what's more, most important is that this machine, it has a seamless stitching function. Okay, so and right now you can see we have already printed more than half of this image, yeah. And then the machine, it will have a mark automatically there, yeah. And then the machine stopped, right? The machine stopped. And then later we will go on, we will continue the work of this machine, and then the machine it will continue works directly. So it's really a very smart machine, okay? So and later, and also for some very big size of the printing, okay, let me show you based on this board, okay? Okay. You can see this machine it also has a very powerful function. That is, if you print a very big size of the image, okay? Yeah, very big size of the image. Okay, you can see if the image is more than 2 meters, yeah, it's more than 2 meters. So the machine it will automatically divide this big image into several areas, and then it will start printing from the one part, yeah, and then the second, three, number 4, yeah, each one directly. Okay, so no matter how big your image will be, the printing machine will finish the very good printing result for you. Okay, so that's all the brief introduction about this model. Next, I think you are really want to see how does this machine work exactly, right? Okay, no problem. Right now, let's welcome our engineer, Mr. Leo, to show you. Hello. Okay, let's welcome our engineer and let's have a look what's going to be printed by this machine. Okay. Well, everybody, you can see the printing machine is go on printing right now, right? Yeah, it's continued from the last stop. Yeah, so also based on the software, with the software interface, we can see the remaining time. Yeah, you can see only 15 seconds. Yeah, for you. And also you can see the finished 71%. Yeah, 71%. And then we can see the resolution we choose for the printing, and also the ink indications there, and also the power. Yeah, you can see this is the battery indication. Yeah, this is right now you can see the UPS battery. It also has 67. Okay, 67%. On the wall or the ground directly. Well, since since this is our live showroom, and this is our live showroom, we just have a display. Yeah, have a display for you. So if we print on the wall, we need to treat once time on there. So this is the and if you print on the wall, it will be the same effect. Yeah, exactly the same effect with this one. Okay, so please be sure that. Okay, right now you can see it's going to finish in very short time. Yeah. So during you're watching about this live show, my dear friend, you can also type your questions or I don't know your ideas, yeah, so we can communicate together. Well, you can see the printing effect is really very good, right? It's exactly the same with with what we see from the software. This is also an oil painting, yeah, oil painting. So it's really like just like hand drawing directly. Yeah, so you can see this kind of celebration or some amusement, and well, it has already finished. Yeah, you can see just now only around one or 2 minutes. It has finished half of this image. Okay, so in fact, it really have a very fast printing speed, right? Okay. So right now, I still want to draw your attention for the seamless splicing and the stitching function for you in detail. Okay. So for example, you can see this one. This is a very big sized image. Okay, very big size. So since one time printing, the total height will be 2 meters. Yeah. Well, if the image is more than 2 meters, the machine it will automatically divide the machine for several areas, several parts. And also, then the printing machine will print each part one by one, and then at least finish the whole image. And each part, there is seamless. Yeah, it's seamless. Yeah, at least it's a very completed and a very beautiful, very nice printing. Okay, so this is the seamless stitching and splicing function. Okay. Okay, so next let me introduce the main features of this machine. You can see the vertical wall printing machine. It adopts the digital positioning technology. Okay, and with a static zone calibration for up and down, and a step calibration for left and right. Yeah, so with the 2 motors inside of the machine, it controls the movement from the left to the right and also from the up and down. Okay, so it can achieve precise positioning and ensure printing quality. Okay, so with the red light, just now you see that with the red light pointer, red light indicators there, you can see the printing area exactly. Okay, printing area and the printing location, and also the printing starting point exact, very clear and very accurate. Okay, so and it abandons the traditional positioning mode of relying on raster bars and the drive racks, avoiding the inaccurate positioning and color bar problems caused by component wear or external weight. Okay, so you can see it has a very accurate positioning with a red light point indications there. Okay, so number 2 is that the wall printing machine, it's adopt the Japan imported industrial grade printing head. So the printing head, which is the Japan, from the Japan, it has a very it's a industrial grade printing head. And also it will make sure the high quality and make sure the high precision of the printing. Okay, and also with the dual sensors, inside of the machine, and also it can automatically expanding, and also this is the printing head and this is the wall, so it can automatically expanding or adjust the distance between the wall and the printing head, so that for some uneven or some unflat wall, it will protect the machine, will take the printing head. Okay. So number 3, this vertical printing head with H-shaped wheels, so it can move without tracks when printing on flat ground, and the motor can drive the 2 rear wheels to move for printing. Okay. So this machine will also can if you are in need for the H-shaped rack, so the machine can put on this H-shaped rack and then move on the racks for the printing works. Okay, so that will be more stable, and steady, so that it will keep a higher printing accuracy. Okay. So number 4, the body of the wall printer equipped with a built-in computer system, and 12-inch LCD colorful screen, so it's very convenient to operate and work outside. Just now you see the machine, right? And it has a built-in PC system system and also with the printing software there. So we can operate on this LCD touch panel directly. So it's very easy to operate anywhere, both indoors or outdoors. Okay. Yeah, number 5, the touch type flash printing press of the wall inkjet printer. It can print a single color with large capacity and to keep the color normal and avoid the cross color. Yeah. So on the software we can test each color. Okay. So each time before you're printing, you can test each color. Yeah. Pressure the ink to test the printing effect. So make sure the each color is in a very good condition, and then you can start printing so that the result of the printing will be very good. Okay, so next one, the vertical, this wall printing machine, it has a UPS battery. Yeah, just now you see that right now the machine, the status is we use the UPS battery without the main power connection. And with the UPS battery backup inside of the machine, it can support the continuous working for 10 to 12 hours. Yeah, it's really very powerful. Okay, so next one, the vertical wall printing machine supports customized foldable vertical track, so it's convenient to carry outside. Yeah, so for the rack, the total height will be 2.6 meters. Yeah, well, we can choose a foldable one. So after folding, the total height will be 1.5 meters. Yeah, at that time you can put it in your car, at the trunk of your car, and move it and take it to other place or to anywhere for the printing works. Okay, so that will be very convenient and for the delivery and for the transportation, right? Okay, so the this one, right? And the printing machine, it has an AI intelligent image processing technology, so to scan and analyze the picture in different formats. Okay, so the machine it supports the different kind of formats. Okay, so it's really very nice, very powerful, with many good features, with many special features. So my dear friends, if you are interested in this kind of machine, please do not hesitate to contact us right now. Okay, and also if you have any of your questions, you can tell us anytime. Okay, so that's all the introduction about the first model. Okay, so next I would like to introduce the second model for you. So the second model is our S series. Okay, so everybody please follow me to this model. Okay, so from the overall design, we can see that this machine it has a very different design with our H-shaped machine, right? So this machine you can see it moves on this racks, moves on this triangle designed racks. Okay, so this is a triangle designed track. So that it will keep a very stable, as you know the triangle design is for stable and for steady, and so it will make sure the machine moves on this rack, moves on this smoothly, okay, and also make sure the printing accuracy. And also we can see this part. Just now the H series, and it has a built-in PC system with the LCD touch screen there, right? Well, for this machine, you can see we choose another pad control, and also with the software installed in this machine. Well, the software is the same. Okay, the software will be the exact same. So we can also operate on this machine, on this software, to choose the size, choose the resolution, what we need. Okay. Yeah. So this is very this is a very fashionable design, right? With a hat, okay. And also this is the same rack, okay, the same rack to support the movement for the printing hat, move from the up and down, okay, and also this movement from the left to right moves on this guardrail with also with these rollers. Yeah, with these rollers, it also have a very smooth and a very accurate. Make sure the printing will be more accurate and with high precision. Okay. And also this is the printing head. Yeah, the same printing head. Well, for our S80 model, yeah, it has two printing heads. Yeah, two printing nozzles inside of the printing head. So the printing speed will be 64 square meters per hour. Okay, so it has a faster printing speed than one printing nozzle. Okay, well, okay, you can see the inks. Yeah, the inks we adopt those 4 standard water-based inks, and also this very special designed inks. And you can see the color. This is the cream. Yeah, yellow, magenta, and black. Okay, with these 4 colors, it can print a very vivid and very bright, very beautiful, very clear design of our of the printing. Okay. And well, what's more, you can see this is the USB port. Yeah, we can also transfer the file from this USB port to the machine to choose what we are going to use. Yeah, this USB port. And also this is the main power button. Right. Okay, the main power button. Okay. Well, for this machine, we also it also supports the UPS battery. Yeah, inside of the machine. Yeah, even without the main power connection, it also works for 10 to 12 hours. Okay. So that's all. This seems that's all the brief introduction for this machine. Yeah. If you still have some questions you want to ask, please feel free to type it, and also please tell us anytime. We would like to discuss based on your information and reply for any of your questions. Okay. Thanks very much for support. Yeah. Well, yeah, and also you can see this part. This is a foldable rack. Just now you see that. Yeah, this is a foldable rack. So after folding, the total height will be only 1.5 meters, so that you can put it into your car and you can take it to anywhere for the printing. Yeah, for the printing works. Yeah, both outdoor, yeah, or at other place. Okay, so yeah, so that's all the brief introduction for this machine. Now we still want to welcome our engineer, Mr. Leo, to show us how does this machine work exactly. Okay. Hi. Okay, so right now everybody, you can see this is the printing on the ceramic tile. Everybody, you can see this is the ceramic tile. Yeah, ceramic tiles. And then you can see this is the image we're going to print on the ceramic tiles. Yeah, the same interface. Well, is that working? Well, now we choose the highest printing speed. Yeah, so we can see the printing direction is double, okay? And the printing speed we choose high, and and also you can see the remaining time, and also the how much of this image has already printed, yeah, and the resolution we choose. Right now we choose the 720 by 2440. Okay. Yeah, well, this machine, the highest resolution also can reach to 9600 dpi. It's really, and also it has a very high resolution. Okay. so yeah, let me show you some application, applicable walls. So you can see all of those walls, yeah, and the hoodie wall, the latex painted wall, the white wall, limitation parceling wall, and the wall clothing, wall coating glaze, show powder, the color green painted wall, and all of those, any of the walls, yeah, any of the walls can be printed by this wall printing machine. Well, and also you can see some non-excellent material. For those non-excellent material, you can see the glass, and also ceramic tiles. Just now you see this is the right now you see this is the ceramic tile. Okay, this is the ceramic tiles, and also wood. Okay, so later we will show you the wood board. Okay, also on this kind of wood board. Okay, wood, and also in the metal. So, and so that you can see all of those, all the wall printing machine, it can widely used for all of those home decoration and hotel decoration, advertising industry, and also the cultural and educational industry, and also the environment propaganda, and some amusement. Okay, some amusement. All of those industries, all of those fields, all of those decorations can be used for the wall printing machine. Well, it has already finished. Well, it's really a very quick time. Well, please everybody, you can have a look how about the printing effect, printing result it will be. Wow, it's a very Chinese characteristic of the flower painting. Okay, so my dear friend, do you like this kind of painting? It's very beautiful. Yeah, it's very Chinese characteristic. Most of our Chinese people like this kind of colorful flowers or some birds. Yeah, and any of the animals. Okay, so this is the ceramic tiles printing. Right now, please go on to see what will be on the wood print. Okay, so welcome, Mr. Liu. Come on, my dear friend. Come on, Mr. Liu. Please, let's have a look what's going to print on the wood. Yeah, on the wood. Okay, later. Okay, please wait a moment. We will take off this ceramic tile, and then it will cost a few minutes. Okay, we will take off the ceramic tile, and then we can print on the wood board. Okay, right now we also can have a look about the main features of this machine. Okay. Okay, the main features of this S series model. Okay, so this machine, you can see in the wall print machine, it has the UPS, also UPS battery backup inside of the machine. So it will realize the automatic charging. Yeah, when we connect with the main power, the built-in battery, the built-in UPS battery, it will keep charging. Okay, so and also we can, if we don't connect with the main power, or during the working time we meet the power failure, the machine also can continue to work without the main connection and only work with the UPS battery. So the UPS battery can support for continuous work more than 10 to 12 hours. Okay, so it's really very powerful. Okay, it's very powerful. Okay, number two, the machine has an integrated printing head design. Yeah, printing head and separable structure. So you can see the printing head can be taken off. Okay, the printing head can be taken off from the machine, so that we can carefully take care, carefully maintain the machine, maintain the printing head. Okay. So as you know, the printing head is a very important part of this machine, and on the top of the printing head, it has an ink absorber. So with this ink absorber, it for one side, it can protect the printing head very well, and for another, it can use for the ink pressure ink. Okay, pressure ink. So and then number 2, you can see this is the printing head. Okay, so number 3, the printing head, the wall printing machine, it has a USA brand sensor. Okay, inside of the machine it has also 2 sensors. It can the printing head, it can automatically sense the distance between the wall and the printing head, and automatically expanding. Okay, so that for some uneven wall, for some unflat wall, it can automatically adjust the distance so that it can protect the printing head from being damaged by some uneven places. Okay, so this is a very smart and intelligent design. Okay, so next one, yeah, the optional item of the foldable design. Just now you see the rack, the guide rail. The total height will be 2.6 meters. Yeah, 2.6 meters, and also we can choose the foldable one. After folding, so you can put into your car or the trunk of your car, so you can take it to other places and to even to the outdoor for some for any other printing works. Okay. Yeah, and the standard, you can see the standard decoration is from the left to right. Okay, the printing from the left to right. This is the standard decoration. Okay, so if you are and so Percolator also can customize the printing direction from the right to left if you are in need. Okay, so Percolator can support you with full solutions for any of your printing requirements. Okay. So next one, if you have any demand for printing on non-planar material, for example, some car body, Percolator can also customize it according to your demand. So, as we said just now, Percolator also can provide a full range of printing solutions to meet any of your printing requirements. Okay. Okay, thanks. This is also the main feature. Okay, let's go on. And then still some other main features. Just now, in fact, I've already shown you, right? So you can see the U-disc, USB port on the machine. There's a USB port, so you can insert the U-disc to transfer the file which you want to print. So you can choose any of the files that you need. Very beautiful design, very special design. So to choose from the U-disc, and the wall print machine will print for you. Okay. And so you can see the operation is very simple, and the pad can shut down within 20 minutes automatically to save power. So also if you don't want it to be shut down, you can also tell us. You can also set for you. Okay. Yeah. Also, this machine also have the picture splicing function. Yeah. And the track use the interlock design. Just now you see the track. Yeah. So for one reel, for one track, the standard size will be 1.5 meters. Yeah. So this machine we standard setting we have two sets. Yeah, 2 sets of the rails. So the total length of this track will be 3 meters. Okay. So even during the machine's work, this rack, this reel, this guide wheel is very easy to be take off, and also it's very easy to be connected. So even during the machine's work time, we can also take off the first part from the left and also connect with the end of the right. Okay, so it's really it's a very very convenient, yeah, for some long printing area. Okay. Yeah, so that you can see, you can realize a large format and unlimited printing from the software and hardware respectively. Okay. So next one, the whole printing body is made by a special aluminum magnesium alloy, so with high strength and light weight. So it uses a triangle principle design to realize the stable structure. So it's durable and easy to carry, okay? So just now you see the triangle design. And also the servo motor, the servo motor to control the movement from the right to left and also from the up and down. Okay, and the next one, you can draw, with the inks, okay? We just now show the 4 colorful inks, 4 standard inks. Okay, this is also the slicing and the stitching function, okay? And the last one, you see, break points, automatic filling function. It can remember the break points when the machine needs interrupting and automatically restore into the start points, and when the power failure and they continue the printing next time. So it's now it's the same with the H models, right? So we have already finished one part of this image, only one part of the image. Or suddenly there will be a power failure, or I would just want to stop it and to have a cup of coffee, and then we come back. We come back to continue the works. So the machine, it can find the last time stopped. The last time stopped to the point, and then go on printing from the last stop. Okay, so everybody has already started for the. Okay, let's have a look at what's going on here. Well, everybody, so you can see right now it works on glass. Well, my dear friend, right now this is the glass material. Okay. So just now you see we'll have you print. Okay, so everybody just now you see that we have already you see the ceramic tiles printing, right? And also right now you can see this is the glass material. And for the glass material, my dear friends, we need to at first we need to spray a layer of treatment fluid on the surface of the glass. Okay, so and then we'll wait for it to get dry. It's totally dried, and then we can with the wind, then it can process the printing. Okay, and at last we also see we need to paint the white color paint on the surface of the glass. Okay, later I will show you exactly the steps. Okay, so you can see this glass right now here. It has already been treated, with treatment fluid on the surface of the glass. Okay. Now everybody, let me look. In 1 minute, in 1 minute left, more than 1 minute, it will finish the whole printing. Okay, and also you can see it has already finished more than half of it. You can see 57%, 58, 59. Wow, so fast. 59%, 60% right now has have a very fast printing speed, in fact. Okay? Yeah, also during the machine's working, you can see this main structure of this machine. Yeah. Okay, so everybody, for this machine, now you can see this model is S80. Okay, so this right now it has two printing nozzles. Well, you can also choose one printing head, one printing nozzle. So the model number will be S70. So you can choose it based on your own request. Okay, so wow, it has already finished. Right now you can see this is the printing result of the on the glass. Okay. Yeah, this is the printing on the glass. Since now you can see the glass is transparent, right? It's transparent. And then later we will paint. Yeah, we will have a white color paint on the surface of the glass, and then you will have a different view. Wow. Okay. Now let me show you. This is a transparent, right? It's transparent. Yeah. So later, please wait a few minutes. We will paint. Yeah, we will paint on our warehouse with the white color, and then you can see the different effect. Okay, so everybody, please take a look. You can take a picture, and then later you can see the difference of this printing. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So this is the printing on the glass material. At last, we still have wood board. Okay, the wood board printing. Okay, we are going to show you right now. Yeah, right now you can see this is the red light pointer. Yeah, you can see that it's a red light pointer. So it have we can see the printing location. Yeah, the printing area, the starting point. The starting point from here. Yeah, you can adjust. Yeah, to by this X or Y. Yeah, choose the file. Okay. So you can see this with the UPS battery. Yeah, with the UPS battery backup inside the machine, it can continuous working for 10 to 12 hours. Yeah, it's really very powerful. Okay. And just now I've introduced this rack. Yeah, you can see this part. Yeah, this part. It will be very easy to be take off, and also it will be very easy to be connected. So even during the machines are working, we can take off this rack and to connect with another end of the rack, so we can realize an unlimited length. Okay. So everybody, let's start. Yeah, start printing on the wood board. Let me have a look what's going to be printed. Wow, this time also the flowers. Oh, it has already started. Okay, for this machine, the highest resolution it can reach to 9,600 dpi. Okay, 9,600 dpi. Yeah, normally Well, you can choose based on, you can also choose 720 by 2440. Yeah, different resolution you can choose. Yeah, for different resolution, it will work with different printing speed also. Okay. For the ink, yeah, ink consumption. Okay, for ink consumption, for one square meter, it will cost 6 to 10. Okay, 6 to 10 milliliters. Okay. Well, for you can see we can also see the inks, the ink percentage based on the software. Well, if the ink is less than 10%, yeah, than 10%, it will alarm, yeah, and then you know you need to fill in more. Okay. Okay, so it has already started. It will cost a few minutes. Okay, since this one is a very big size. This one it has a large size of the printing area. Yeah, so it needs longer time. Well, you can see the total height. You can see the height will be 600 millimeters. Okay, 600 millimeters. And here I would like to draw your attention, please, for the printing head. As we know, the printing head is a very important part which we are going to maintain carefully. Yeah, so since also the printing head, it determines the print value of the whole machine. So for the printing head, if the machine stopped working, please remember to cover the ink absorber in time. Okay. Well, and also if you don't use the machine, please do not take off the ink absorber. And also, please, if the machine don't work for a long time, please remember to clean the ink text and also the ink pad cleanly. Okay. So how to clean the printing pad? Yeah, at the first step, you need to pull out the inks. Yeah, pull out the inks in each ink text. Yeah, and the second step, you need to clean it by the purified water. Okay, by the purified water. Okay, the third step, you need to clean it with some cleaning detergent. Okay, to have a thoroughly clean for it. Okay, so and at last you need to fill in the protective fluid. Yeah, the protective fluid. Also the protective fluid. Well, yeah, fill in the protective fluid so that and then you can pressure ink. Okay, pressure the ink for a few times, and then the machine, the printing head will keep for a long time. Okay, everybody. Okay, so during the machine's printing process, I would like to introduce the difference between the S series and H series. Okay, so you can see for the S series, it has a triangle design. Yeah, triangle structure. Well, this now the first model, the H-shaped model, it's a H-shaped track. So it's suitable for the flat design 4.5 meters. Okay, so the 2.5 is the height, vertical height. And the 4.5 is the rack. It includes 3 racks. Okay, so for one rack it will be 1.5 meters, and while for 3 it total 4.5 meters. Okay, while for H series, the height, the size will be 2.5 meters by 3 meters. Okay, so 3 meters of the horizontal length. And also you can see the S series. This is S series model. It's controlled by the pad. Yeah, you can see controlled by pad. While for H series model, it has an integrated PC system, right? And also you can see with LCD touch panel, so that it can we can touch on the LCD touch screen directly. Okay. Well, the moving way, you can see the H series and the S series. Right now, you can see it moves on the rack. Yeah, it moves on this rack, on this rack, and also up and down. 2 layers of the racks. Yeah, and also the H series, you can see it can move on with the 4 wheels. Yeah, 4 big wheels. It can move on the ground directly. Yeah, and also it can move on the racks. Okay. And so the requirement for the floor, everybody can see for the S series, yeah, it has a low requirement for the flatness of the ground. Yeah, since it has the rack, yeah, we can also have a little adjust for it. And while for the H series, yeah, H series, it requires a higher requirement for the flatness of the ground. Okay. So, well, just now you see only a few minutes. It has already finished the whole image printing on the wood board. Everybody, you can have a look about the printing effect on the wood board. Wow, it's very. This is a desert system. There's a desert or some mountain. Yeah. Yeah, this is some trees, houses. Wow. And each color, well, it's very colorful, right? Let me see. How about the printing effect? Wow, it's very nice. Okay, so everybody can see, yeah, this is the printing effect, okay? So for the wood, we can print on it directly, right? And also just now for the ceramic tile and for the glass, yeah, we need a surface treatment. So everybody, let's have a look what will be the printing result after of the glass, yeah, after the paint, after the white paint. Okay, after the white paint. Oh, wait a moment, let's move the table here. Well, everybody can see this is the magic time. Well, okay, it's not the right direction. This way, right? No, still no. This way, okay. Oh, so just now you see that, yeah, just now you see, okay. So after printing on a glass material, it's a blank, it's a transparent since the glass is transparent, right? So we need a paint, the white color paint on the surface of the glass. So after the white color paint, you can see, well, this is the printing result. And then the paint is very, very easy to get dry. So you can just now only a few seconds or few days, and it has already dried. So we can see this is the printing result. Okay. Yeah. Do you like this kind of printing? Okay, that's it. Okay, put down. Be careful, relax. Okay, so everybody, right now you see this is some inks. Okay, this is inks for the printing machine. Just now we used. Yeah, this is the black color. Yeah, this is black, and also this is the magenta. Yeah, it's like red. It's magenta color, and also this is the blue. No, cream. Okay, cream. Yeah, and also this is. And then this is the this is yellow. Okay, yellow. So this is the basically the four colors. Yeah, four colors which we are using for the wall printing machine. So I would like to draw your attention, please, my dear friend. Please only choose the inks from our company. Okay, from the since this is very specially designed. Yeah, very specially designed inks. Okay. So you can see these inks, yeah, even at a very cold, very cold temperature that 30 degrees below zero. Wow, 30 degrees below zero degree. Yeah, it will not get freeze. Yeah, it will not get freeze. And also you can see and it's a very, and also this is a very environmentally friendly inks. Yeah, it's a very perfect, and also this is a very specially designed, very specially researched ink by us in our company. Okay, so please choose the inks from us, and so that you will make sure the ink pad will not be blocked. Okay. Well, next one, this is the protective fluid. So this one is used to protect the printing pad wall. As we know just now, I have mentioned just now, since the printing pad is a very important part for the whole machine, right? And since it determines the grit value of the whole machine. Yeah. So that we need a very careful maintenance for the printing pad. So we need to clean the printing pad, clean the ink tanks, clean the printing nozzle very carefully and clean. So after we print, we clean the ink tanks, ink box for ink, very cleanly, and then we need to fill in this kind of protective fluid into the ink box, the ink tanks, into ink tanks, so that the printing nozzle, the printing pad can be protected for a long time. Okay, so this one is the treatment fluid. Yeah, this one, this treatment fluid is used for the glass. Yeah, glass such as glass. Yeah, it's not the ceramic tile and the metal. This kind of non-absorbent material. Okay. So everybody, now let me show you how to spray the treatment on the glass surface. Okay, glass surface. Okay, so you can see this is the treatment fluid. Yeah, treatment liquid, and also this is the protective fluid. This protective fluid is to protect the nozzle. Okay, so when we clean the ink tanks, clean the printing head, and then we need to fill in this kind of protective fluid. Well, and this is the treatment liquid. Yeah, treatment liquid. This is used for to spray on this, on the surface of the glass. Okay, you can see this is the glass material. Okay, everybody, let me show you how to spray the treatment fluid, treatment liquid on the surface of the glass. Okay, so we can. Wow, it's really very. Can you help me? Okay, thank you. Yes, very tight. Okay, then we can open it and pour few on on each part. Yeah. So that after that we will use a tool. This kind of. Use this kind of tool to make sure it. Okay, make sure each part has with the treatment fluid. Well, am I right? Am I did a very good job? Am I doing a very good job? Okay, thank you very much. So you can see, make sure each part of this, of the surface of the glass has already been treated. And then we need to wait for it to get dried. It requires the very dry. It may take 4 to 5 hours. And until it's totally dry. Okay. And also you can choose to do this job on the night. And so the second day, when you wake up, you can stop and you can process your printing works. Okay. So after this layer of the treatment fluid on the glass surface material, and then after it gets dried, and then we can process the printing by the wall printing machine. And then after the printing machine works on it, we still the last step we need to paint the white paint, white color paint. Just now you see that. So after these steps, you can see the last result of just now we show you of the glass effect. Okay. Well, for this is the water-based inks. Water-based inks. We need to treat. We need a special treatment on the surface of the glass. Well, if you choose the UV printing, UV printing, UV inks, UV inks, we can also print on this glass material directly. Okay. So this is the main difference between the UV ink and also this water-based inks. Okay, so this is the inks, and the treatment fluid, and also the protective fluid. Okay. So next, my dear friend, just now I've introduced the two models for you. S series and H series. Wow, I still forget one important thing, my dear friends. But just now the S series model, okay, the S series model, it can just now you see it stand up. It's a wall printing mode. Wall printing mode. Well, this machine it can also support the floor or the ground printing. So when I change and when I pull down on another reel, another track, and it will change to the ground and the floor printing mode. So this machine it can support both the wall printing and also the floor and ground printing. Well, for this machine, for one machine it can support. It has two printing functions. That will be really very economical, right? This is a really very nice machine. Okay, and next, later we will I will introduce. Okay, yeah, this is the paint. Okay, what color? So the first step, you can see first step for the treatment fluid, right? And then we paint wall printing on it, and at last we use this kind of paint spray print this kind of color print on the surface of the glass, and then you can see the last printing effect. Okay, so my dear friend, if you are interested in the wall printing machine, or if you are in need of any wall printing or the ground printing or the floor printing machine, please remember to tell us right now. And also please contact us for any of your inquiry, any of your information, any of your ideas. So thanks very much, and I'm really very willing to receive any of your feedbacks. Okay, thanks very much. And so last, my dear friend, I'm going to introduce a ground printing machine. Okay, so this machine, this machine is especially used for ground printing. Okay, ground printing. Okay, let me check. Okay, so everybody can follow me, and I will introduce our ground printing machine for you. Okay. Wow, so everybody can see. Can you see that? This is the ground printing machine. So this machine is lie down on the floor. Okay, lie down on the so, yeah. And also, well, you can see this is the horizontal length. The horizontal length of this machine will be 2.65 meters. Well, and also for one-time printing, yeah, it can support 2.3 meters. Okay, 2.3 meters length. So that is especially good, for printing a car parking space. Yeah, car parking space. So as we know, the car parking space normally is around 2.3 meters, right? So for this machine, it can support a one-time printing for the car parking space. Yeah, and also it can also widely used for the home decoration. Yeah, we can have a very beautiful printing on our on our room. Yeah, and also for the hotel. Yeah, also the hotel decoration for the lobby and for some amusement. Yeah, and also for some park, for any decoration or any advertising industry. Yeah, so this machine is really very nice machine. As we know, my dear friends, let me tell. I would like to share information for you. As you know, in our market, yeah, in our market, we use if I have this kind of machine, and then I would like to take this machine to do business, and then if you ask me to print a car parking space for you, so it charged more than 10,000 RMB. Yeah, you know. So this is really a very good investment. Yeah. So as my dear friend, you can have an overall view of this machine. Yeah. Inside of this part is with the main board and the power supply and UPS battery inside of this machine, and also controlled by the pad. Yeah. Well, and also this is why it's really very easy to be fold. Okay. So with this 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, these 4 locks here. We can these buckles. Yeah, we can take off it and take off this handle, and then the machine will just like this. Yeah, It's more folded than this. And then we can take it on, we can carry it with this wheel, with these two wheels. We can pull it just like a suitcase. Yeah, it will be very convenient and very easy to carry it and for the transportation and for the delivery. Okay. So after folding, yeah, the total height only 1.3 meters. Yeah, 1.3 meters. So it's really very very good for the transportation. Yeah. And well, for another one biggest features of this machine, right? Okay, and you can see the red light, yeah, indicators there. Yeah, red light indicators there. So we can easily, with this red light pointer, we can easily understand where's the location and where's the starting area. Well, for another important features of this machine is that it can, we only have one press on the software. It can automatically turn right or turn left to adjust the distance, yeah, adjust the location and the position of this machine. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's it. Next time I would like to introduce it. Okay, now I would like to show you how does this machine print exactly. Okay. Now here we go, Mr. Leo, please. Welcome again. Please, yeah, operate the machine and let's print a image for us. Well, we can see for one-time printing this machine, yeah, one-time printing the total, the horizontal length will be 2.3 meters, and while this vertical length will be unlimited. Yeah, it can move, go on and go on. Okay. This also a very big image. Okay, very big image. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, let's wait for a few minutes to see the machines are working, we take off it. Ink absorber, when the machines are working, we can take off the ink absorber. So this ink absorber is used for pressure inks. Pressure inks, okay, for pressure inks, and then if the machine stop working, okay, if the machine finish the working, we need to cover it on the printing pad, in time, so that it can protect the printing pad very well. Okay. Yeah. So this part is also a very special, very important part. Okay. So, my dear friend, since it still needs some time to finish this big-sized image, okay? So right now, I would like to welcome back. Yeah, I would like to so we need to this way. Okay. So. During since it still needs some time for printing, and right now we would like to introduce welcome back our beautiful host, Yuli. Come back, okay? Hello, Yuli. Hello.
And after all this detailed introduction about our products, I think it is really, really a nice machine. It's a really a nice machine. It can work on so many different kinds of materials, such as wood, board, covers, glass, and so on. And the painting is also vivid and colorful. And for the wood printing machine, we still have many kinds of types, such like horizontal type, vertical type, and high resolution type. Also, Perfect Laser always provide you with customizability and special designs. If you have any requirements for the wood printing machine, please connect with us without any hesitation. And also, here are some questions from our customers. Would you like to answer for us? Okay, no problem. Okay, let's start. Okay, the first question. What is the working area of the Model P-S18 and P-H13?
The working area for the S80 model is 2 meters height by 4.5 meters length, yeah, and H30 is 2 meters by 3 meters, yeah, and also the printing width can be expanded by adding extra horizontal reels. For example, we can make 2 meters by 6 meters or 7.5 meters.
Wow, that's incredible. And what color can you print out, and what colors of ink?
Yeah, all colors can be printed out, and we have 4 basic colors. Now you see that: magenta, green, yellow, and black.
That's really great.
Yeah, it has a very colorful and very bright printing effect.
Yes. And how about ink consumption? And what is the expiry date of the ink?
Okay, one square meter costs 10 milliliter inks, and the ink expiry date is 3 years, as long as you don't open the bottles.
Wow, that's really a long time. And what is the maximum printing speed and resolution?
For S80, it has 2 printing nozzles, so the printing speed can be 64 square meters per hour. While for H30 model, the printing pad, it has 1 printing pad, so the printing speed will be 32 square meters per hour, and the maximum resolution can reach to 9,000 1600 dpi.
Okay. How long does it need for printing 1 square meter?
So for PS80 model, it has 2 printing heads, so the printing speed will be very quick. It will take 1 to 2 minutes to print 1 square meter picture. So while for H30 model, it has 1 printing head, so the print it takes 3 to 4 meters to print 1 square meter picture.
Fantastic. And does it use oil-based ink or water-based ink?
We used our specially designed water-based ink. So for info printing, our machine can also use the UV ink if you are in need.
Yes. And what print heads it use?
So we use the Epson customized printing head HD16, and which is imported from Japan.
Wow, that's really great. And may I ask, the wall printer can print on the glass correctly?
The wall printer machine can print on glass, while the glass needs to be treated first. It does not show you the steps, right? So first we need to spray a layer on the surface of the glass, and then you need to wait for it to get dried, and then we can print on it. So while for the UV ink, UV ink wall print machine, you can print on the glass directly.
That's a really detailed answer. And about the next question, does the machine has a touch screen system or needs to be connected to a laptop?
Yeah, both of the machine has the touch screen system. For H30 model, it has integrated PC system, so you need with us also with the LCD touch screen here, we can operate on it directly. Well, for the S series model, it has the pad on it. We need to operate on. Yeah, we also can operate on it directly.
Yes, that's really convenient.
Yes.
And how can I clean the nozzle and the ink system with water, or there are some chemicals to clean it?
So for printing heads, we need to clean by the purified water, the first step, and then we need to clean by some special detergent, and then we can fill in the protective fluids, and then it can be protected for a long time.
And does the machine has internal history records to calculate the working time?
Yes. So when the machine is working, you can see the running status of the machine through the software interface, including the working time. Just now you see that, right?
Yes, that's really great. Okay. Okay, there are some questions regarding your company. Are you a factory or trade company?
Yes, my dear friend, we are a factory with more than 20 years history in this field. So we also have some special customized ability. So if you have any of your printing requests, please tell us and please contact us right now.
Yes, we will be here waiting for you. And do you have any certificates for the machine?
Yeah, of course, we have CE, ISO, role certificate, and so later we can show you one by one, okay?
Okay, we will show you later. And how long is the lead time for the work printer?
And for the wall print machine, only 5 to 10 working days. It's very fast lead time.
Yes, and it's really quick.
Yeah, so
How about the warranty?
nothing our warranty time is 12 months. Well, in today's slideshow, we can provide 24 months warranty time.
Wow, that's 24.
Yeah, absolutely 2 years. Yeah, that's a very long time.
Okay. And I want to buy it now. What is the payment method?
Well, payment method is very convenient. You can choose the wire transfer, credit card, Western Union, PayPal, Alibaba Trade Assurance, And also you can choose any payment method at your convenience.
Okay, and what about after-sales service could I get?
Okay, my dear friends, we are responsible for providing 24 hours after-sales service and free spare parts for replacement during a warranty period. Okay. Yeah, and the software can be updated anytime. So if you have any questions, we can reply to you within 2 hours. So please be rest assured to contact us right now.
The after-sales service is really sweet.
Yeah.
And can I arrange a shipment for me?
Yes, of course. We have very special professional team for shipping. So we will arrange the shipment based on FOB, so IF, and terms by sea or by air. Well, HW price, the shipment shall be arranged by your shipping agent.
Yeah, that's really convenient. And well, last question.
Okay.
What about the packing?
Yeah, we have 3 layers of the package, and from the outside, you got the wood, board, and in the middle, the machine is also very specially protected. Yeah, and also in inside layer, the machine will have also a special treatment for waterproofing, so it will be very safe for the packing. You will get the machine very safe at your. Make sure the machine is very safe to our customers' place.
Yes, we will definitely ensure about the safety.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Thank you a lot for your answer. It's really detailed and really helpful. And after all those detailed introduction, I think everyone in our lecture already have an overall understanding about our products. And for me, I'm really interested in our products. And as you can see here, our products has already got a lot of certificates. This is a CE certificate. And this is a ROS certificate. That's to say, it is really safe to buy it from us. And here is the golden supply certificate verified by the SGS company. As you all know, SGS company is a professional inspecting institution worldwide. So with all the certificates, you really have no worry to buy it from us. Yes, and today, in order to appreciate your watching and also to celebrate the Match Shopping Festival, we also prepared many attractive promotion policy and also benefits for you. The first one, you can enjoy like 5% discount.
Wow, 5%
Yes.
discount.
Yes, that's really good. And secondly, when you click in the product list, you can get extra coupons here and also see our models. When you place the order, you could use the coupons directly. And
What's the coupons?
yes, if you place an order over $7,000, you will get a coupons for $100.
$100.
Yes, and if you place an order over $3,000, you will enjoy the discount for $15. And also, that's to say, you can enjoy double discount in our live show, and that's only available in the Match Shopping Festival. But also, if you are not in our live show and you are watching a reply, it is also okay, because you can screenshot this page and send it to our sales manager. Yes, and you will get the coupons as well. Okay, And today, only today in our live show, the working time will be 24 months.
Wow, that's really a very long
Yes,
time.
that's really amazing. And we have full confidence that our products will definitely meet any of your requirements. So you really have no worry about the work time, okay? And we also have prepared some accent gifts.
Still some gifts.
Yes. As you can see here, we have prepared like 100 size of table wheel.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, as you can see here, this table wheel and with blue and white porcelain. It is a special flower with Chinese characteristics, and I believe it will definitely create a wonderful dinner time with you and your family. Okay, with all the opposite gifts and attractive policy here. Do you want to get all them to your home? Okay, I will give you the chance. Okay, everyone, please take out your mobile phone and to do the screenshot. I will give you like 10 seconds to do the screenshotting. Okay, Philip, let's come together.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, here we go.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I believe everyone have already got his screenshotting. And please remember to send it to our sales manager. Then you can get all the opposite gifts to your home. Okay. I have to say our live show is drawing to an end.
Okay, so thanks very much for your watching and what the printing. Let me check how long it still need for this printing. Okay, let me check. Okay, it still needs a little some time. Okay, so later we can send you the printing results. Okay, so if you are unique and interested in this kind of printing effect, I can show you. So please remember to contact us. Okay.
Yes.
So and at last you can also visit our website.
Yes. To see more videos and more information about our products. And also please follow us by clicking the follow button and follow us channel so you will never miss our live show next time. Also please give us a like to show your support. Thank you a lot for your support and your time with us. And Foldable Design is willing to be a reliable partner for now and